Hello. Today we introduce this leather skiver, and this is in the green color, and the design is very good and very simple to work. For the standard machine, first introduce the structure. This is really made for the fix the board, and it's very easy to use screw and tightly and not move. And this is can screw for the limit the lasers, and for when we split the lasers and can limit it. Now for this holder, and it can be adjusted from here left to right. Now it can hold the lasers. Okay, now this is for this function. We fix in here. And for this screw made for the adjust the height. Now we can use here, and when I adjust the screws, Now it is touch the wheel, and then release the screws. And this one for the adjust the degrees. Now this for this, and unloose the screws, and this height, and this for the reduce. Okay, and this bars for the small size adjust. Now I here. I release these screws, and now you see I move this bars, and move. Okay. Now move. Okay. So here we come with the 4-size wheel, and this is and only one fixed in the machines, and one winch for replacement the blade. And the blade use the gillette, and usually the beer cut blade is okay. And this is a dangerous product and can't ship in to you. And so this blade is without in the packages, so you can easily get it from your local market. Okay, now this blade. For this blade is okay. Okay, for the replacement, the blade is use this switch and loose. Okay. We can make it up and take out and release the screws. Okay. Now this is for the hold the blades. The blade put in here and put. And if we change the wheels, we can change these ones. Now put it in here. It's okay. And now if the machine fixes the board, I can two-hand to replacement the blades. Now I need to hand to fix it. Okay. Make it tightly. Okay. Now we can adjust the size, the position. Okay. Now this is soft leathers.